Moving on to the other big story we are tracking, two terrorists have been killed even as an encounter continues at the EDI building in Jammu and Kashmir's Pampore area, where terrorists still holed up inside the Government Training Institute. Top army sources have told India today that the building could be demolished. Most part of the concrete building has been reduced to a skeleton as many of its walls have been blown up. It's the third day of the encounter in almost over 40 hours, and the combing operation is still underway. My colleague Shuja is joining us with the latest update. Shuja, what's the latest that you're getting from your sources? We believe that this operation could now be in its last stage as well, because two terrorists have been neutralized so far.
Well, that's right, Divina. That's what it looks like. Though the gunfire is still on, we are hearing, loud explosions coming out from the EDI building. The building has been pounded with massive explosive material ever since this encounter has begun. Most of the parts of this building have been rendered into a mere skeleton now. We are given to understand that the forces have entered the building first time in last 3 days today, and they are carrying out room interventions, which essentially means searches from one room to another. There is suspicion of one more militant being present in one of the floors of this building, and that's what is going to be a challenge for the security forces. We have been constantly mentioning here that it is a huge task, it's a huge challenging task for the forces here to carry out an operation like this. Even though special forces, the elite commandos of the Indian Army are on the job here, but it's taking a lot of time, and perhaps the delay is what these militants also wanted, to create a spectacle out of this.
But Shuja, also the delay is because now Army is being very strategic in its approach. Remember the last time when they had tried to storm the EDI building, there were massive casualties on our side as well. So to minimize that, that's why there's been a strategic approach adopted. We'll keep coming back to you for more updates. For now, thanks for joining us.